In Bai Province, we provide favorable conditions as well as mechanisms and policies to support people as poor households and ethnic minorities using processing technologies for Aquasure mobile water supply. This is the guidance of Mr. Ta Van Long, Deputy Chairman of the Standing Committee of Provincial People, attending conference of evaluation of the pilot survey on processing technology for Aquasure mobile water supply system in Tu Lệ Vantan District, which is held on the morning of 9 November by Aquasure Corporation in collaboration with the People Committee of Yên Bai Province. The conference was attended by many non-governmental organizations, representatives of central agents, and provinces of Điện Biên, Sơn La, Lào Cai, and Cao Bằng. After surveying the water contaminated situation, Aquasure has developed a pilot model applied processing technologies and provided Aquasure mobile water in Yên Bai Province. This is the execution model for mobile water supply, which is safe for people, simple processes, easy to transport to handle clean water from contaminated sources in such an event of emergencies, such as natural disaster, floods, droughts, and water areas that are frequently contaminated. The remote area which have difficulty accessing to clean water. Result of analyzing the water sample before and after treated with the Aquasure clearly show the cosmetic effect is made and sanitizing with guaranteed qualities. Water sample was processed after reaching the Vietnam regulation on drinking water quality and hygiene water for households. Aquasure system is perfectly suitable for areas that regularly suffer disasters, namely storms, floods, and hardly get access to clean water for daily use. Speaking at the conference, Mr. Ta Van Long, Deputy Chairman of the Province People Committees, sent his sincere to Aquasure when choosing Yên Bai as one of the mountainous areas of difficulties the country's province to implement the pilot project. The Congress also appreciated the survey pilot processing technology and Aquasure mobile water supply at Tu Lệ Vantan District. He also strongly desired that Vietnam APB Environment Company and Aquasure will continue to replicate this project of clean water in the uplands, particularly difficult area of Yên Bai Province, where people lack clean water to use in daily life. Thereby, they can gradually improve living conditions together with better sanitation. Yên Bai Province will also enthusiastically provide favorable conditions as well as policy mechanisms to support the poor people, households, and ethnic minorities to have access to public water processing technology after the technologies to be implemented in the province. The Conference of Evaluation of Pilot Survey on Processing Technology for Aquasure Mobile Water Supply System in Yên Bai Province will provide a basis for the company to widely apply to vulnerable areas, areas suffering frequent natural disasters, and remote areas with difficulties to access to clean water, and where the water is easily contaminated in Yên Bai Province in particular and Vietnam in general.